The Russian president has just made a very important statement. And if what he's saying is true, it means that Russia will not abandon its heroes. This is what Putin said. We will not abandon our soldiers who are fighting in Ukraine. We will not abandon them to the mercy of the Kiev regime. We will bring them home. This is a very important statement because it basically means that Russia is not going to abandon its soldiers who are fighting in Ukraine. These are the same people that the West wants to abandon. They don't care about these people. They've been fighting for Russia for years. And now Russia is saying, we will not abandon our heroes. It's so powerful. And Putin also said something else that is very important. He said, we will bring them home. This implies that there will be a ceasefire, that there will be a pause in the fighting. And this is probably the only way to end this war, to have a ceasefire, to bring home the Russian soldiers. Otherwise, this war will continue, and nobody wants that. Nobody wants to see more death and destruction. So, Pefuli, this is a sign that Russia is finally ready to end this war and bring its heroes home.